Hi, welcome to the KRA booth at ISE 2020. My name is Daniele Mocchi. I'm responsible for the educational program of KRA called the K Academy. And KRA, we are manufacturers of unique audio solutions, but what I'm going to introduce now is much more than an audio solution. It's actually a mix between a speaker and a light. It's called the rAVe. It's our first product able to provide sound and light at exactly the same time. It's called the rAVe, and it's a linear LED light that is also providing sound thanks to 3 woofers installed inside the light itself. So imagine for an office or a store or a restaurant where you need high quality lighting, but at the same time you need high quality background music. Now with just a few cables going through the ceiling, you can have audio and light done in one single shot. We have several options available. We have continuous symmetric light, asymmetric light, spotlight, and I really invite you to check all the options available on our website www.k-ra.com. Thank you.